Hey, I'm Gareth from Bar Cameras, and today we've got the Canon EOS R with the adapter to allow you to put the EF lenses on it. Now, we want to make a quick video to show you how easy it is to do that and how well they work. So the adapter just goes on like that. Got the nifty 50 here, f1.8, slots in, no trouble. You've still got the great autofocus, still got the great low light performance. I've got the 24-70 f4, slots in, no worries, obviously. Again, you've got the great autofocus, great low light performance, image stabilization in the lens as well. And this is something that we were really excited about. I've even got the EFS lens, the 10-22, and that just slots in, no worries as well. So you can get the EF lenses on here, the EFS lenses, you've still got that great autofocus, you've still got that great low light performance. I'm just gonna take it out quickly to give you some image samples with the lenses on as well to show you how well it works. So let's go. Alright, so we're out in the woods now. We've got the EOS R, we've got the 3 lenses as well. We've got the 2 EF and the 1 EFS lens. I've got the 10-22 EFS lens on the EOS R now. So we're just gonna take a couple of snaps just to give you an idea of what it looks like, but it's so easy. Just pop on the adapter, pop the lens straight on the adapter. And something else I just wanna say is how easy it is to change the controls on here. So I was just adjusting things to take a shot of this nice path behind me, but when you select the aperture, let's say on the screen, you can then change it with the dial, you can swipe with your finger on the actual touchscreen. It's really incredible how user-friendly and just easy it is to just set everything up as you like. So anyway, enough about that, let's take a couple of pictures. Alright, so we've just walked down the path a little bit. I want to test out the 24-70 macro lens, and there's some lovely little mushrooms just down by the side of the path. So I'm gonna get a shot of that, seemed like a perfect time to pop that on, the EF 24-70 f4. So we can get a shot of those now. So just pop down the path a little bit more. There's some nice berries here, so I'm gonna pop the nifty 50 on here. 1.8, I'm gonna try and just isolate some of the berries and get a nice little shot. So let's do that now. All right, I'll leave you with a couple of extra pictures that I took while out and about here. I'll note which lenses they are as well in the settings. One thing that I am constantly amazed with this camera, and coming out and doing this, it just again highlights it for me, is how good it is with low light. They're bumping up the ISO, there's just no issues at all. A lot of these pictures are taken at ISO 6400, there's just no noise. I'm gonna try and get one in a second, ISO 12800, just to compare for you as well. But it is something that just blows me away with this camera. It's so good for low light. Now, if you have any questions about the adapter or the camera or anything like that, pop them down in the comments below. If you like the video, hit the like button, make sure to subscribe. I'll see you in the next video, and as always, thanks for watching.